Mulalele khona umuntu omemezayo ngathi uthi igula kajama lichithekile kanti chithwe ingqwele endala yakithi kwamalandela namhlanje ke sithi la ngaliphumile kwaZulu sithi silo Misuzulu namhlanje hayi usegcotshiwe vele usehlele esihlalweni asifuna ukuyingena izindaba zakwaZulu thina siyakomplya nje ngokuthi umthetho uthini njengamanje ingakho ke namhlanje somhalalisela sithi wena weZulu eliphezulu sabakho thina akukho kunye
uzomluleka kanti eqhubeka ethatha isithembu edo mama
wisila kusona isilo ngaphandle kwabafazi mabengekho ndlunkulu kufanele kube undlu aphume endlunkulu angene endlunkulu ukuze isizwe sakazo nalesi sibunjwe ngokuthi kube khona izingane kube khona abafazi kube khona igodlo ngeke isilo sibe nesigodlo esodwa sidlule yithile abafokazana ngaba kusona isilo esizalwa ubhejane ephuma esiqiwini
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, in a conversation with the Uthando Nesthembu star, Musa Mseleku gave advice to King Misuzulu Kazulutin to take as many wives as he can, just like his father, the late King Zwelithini Zulu, who had 6 wives. Currently guys, King Misuzulu Kazulutin have 2 wives, Queen Tokozo Kamayisela and Queen Nozizwe Lamlela. So guys, we don't know if His Majesty will take Musa Mseleku's advice or not. For a king guys, it's actually a must to take more than 1 wife because of too much responsibility in the palace. So yeah guys, he might take Musa Mseleku's advice. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.